Number 39 is why technology. Why there was a need in the world that for technology to rise all of a sudden and become part of our everyday life. And I mean, it's a recent thing. What about the past 2,000 years, by 3,000, 5,000 years? What there was no technology or need for technology. So in a way, technology is a tool. It's interesting. The Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai in the Zohar, which is one of the greatest Kabbalistic writings ever written, he says that the spring of wisdom, the gates of wisdom, are going to open in the year 1840. A very precise date, 1840, and from there, it's going to expand until the whole world is going to be filled with wisdom. And so the rabbis explained that we're talking about divine wisdom, the spreading of Kabbalah, and as well as technology, wisdom on earth. And really, technology and science and all that is parallel to what's happening in the spiritual world. Not just it's parallel, it's a preparation in order to understand and view the world in a way that prepares us for the revelation of God. In a way, we try to, for example, to understand how is it possible that I say my words to God. I'm here praying with a paper, with a siddur, and I pray to God, and that prayer can go to heaven and reach the heavens there where God is. It's very hard to understand and feel it and understand it. But now we have a cell phone, we have satellite. I'm here, I just say a few words, that energy, electricity goes there in the air and arrives instantaneously, or basically at the speed of light, in a second on the other side of the world. I can even send message in space. So technology brings us an entire new level where everything that we're speaking spiritually before becomes tangible. Now we understand I can speak on my iPhone and then something gets written right away. And now we can understand when it says that God spoke and the world went into being. I can do it on my iPhone. So it's all those technology is for us to be in touch and realize deep concepts and secrets of the spiritual world, and it's in bringing them to life and brings a parallel between the physical and the spiritual. So when we see that, it's very exciting. The more our world becomes infused with technology, obviously there's a distraction of technology. It can bring us in the wrong side. But if we look at technology and understand really what its purpose is for, we can really learn a lot of very valuable lessons and realize that the faster we go to higher level of technology, everything we can do, the faster we're coming close to the end. Our minds are becoming ready for the ultimate revelation of God and the Messiah and everything that was hidden from us until now. So it's a very exciting time, and we should try to learn from technology everything we can and see how, before we thought that science and Torah didn't fit, but today we see that everything that science finds, everything was there already in the Torah, in the Kabbalistic writing. It matched one-on-one, and actually one of the science that is the closest to Kabbalah and spirituality is quantum physics. Quantum physics is really like opening so many gates, making practical, spirituality practical. So enjoy the technology and the spirituality, and hopefully we'll see the complete unification of heaven and earth, spiritual and physical, in our time very soon.